made from?
It's made out of scrap wood, nails, rocks, and
sonotube.
And rocks.
Sonotube.
And screws. And we already said that.
I know.
And paint.
What is this space made out of?
It's a sonotube. And
Okay. Where did you get these rocks from?
they were leftovers.
What is this wood made out of?
Scrap wood. It's made out of scrap wood.
These are screws. What are the screws for?
We used them like spikes. We screwed them in. They looked like spikes.
How high is it?
9 feet tall.
Okay.
9 feet tall.
How did y'all build these? Did y'all form them up? Did y'all cut them?
So we had these pieces leftovers, and we had them like in rectangles, long ones. And so he cut them in the middle to look like they were like, I don't know, but they were. I can't do it. I can't.
Here, let me help you.
Ow. That is so cool. What? I'm gonna do it with 2 thumbs this time.
Oh.
It's a cactus. Cactus. Or cactus. I don't know. Cactus? Why do you have the screws in your pocket?
I don't have to go up and down the ladder.
All of them?
All of them, but a lot of them. Most of them.
Most of them. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Silly goose.
You silly butt.
You can't say bad words now. Is butt a bad word?
No.
I wonder if I can sell it. How much do you think I can sell it for? No?
You just made it.
Shouldn't sell it? We should keep it, right?
But you should keep it and then make another one. But you don't have that much things, right?
Yeah, I'll need more wood. I'll need more scrap wood.
Because these are all the screws that I did.
You helped me a lot, right?
Yeah, I did all these screws.
You just got tired after a while and you gave up.
Yep, I gave up.
You gave up and you said, Daddy, you do the rest. I'm tired.
No, you said, Abby, I'm not going to, I'm tired.
I didn't say like that.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
And you made me do the whole thing, look.
talk like that. Where should we put it?
Where the front door is, you put it right beside it, where there's not the plant.
That's a good idea. I like your idea.
Are you serious?
Yeah. No, I'm just playing.
Are you?
You know I'm playing with you, right?
You always play. So the cactus, yesterday Puppy was making it whenever we were inside and I didn't notice, but today I went outside and so I just noticed this and it was, Mommy wanted one, right Puppy?
Yeah.
And so Puppy made one and this is how tall it is.
It's 9 feet tall, right?
Yeah.
You know how tall 9 feet is?
No?
This is how tall 9 feet is.
You want demos?
It's too muddy, too dirty.